Severe tropical cyclone Dovi, initially formed in the Coral Sea, traveled hundreds of kilometers down, to finally make landfall this morning over the North Island of New Zealand, as a powerful extratropical low. Heavy rainfall has been affecting parts of the North Island and the Upper South Island as a thick band cloud extending from Ex-Tropical Cyclone Dovi approached the country over the past couple of days. Some rainfall totals in the past 24 hours include Wellington Airport, 121 mm, Ngawi, 99 mm, Farewell Spit, 92.6 mm, Kaikoura, 92 mm, Castle Point, 81 mm. This morning, Auckland registered wind gusts over 130 km per hour, with maximum wind gusts over 150 km per hour in more exposed coastal areas.